Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is question 19, of this year's objective or a question. It says a square has a diagonal length of 10 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the square. The perimeter means the sum total of all external surfaces of a plane figure, right? Good. And we want to obtain the perimeter, but it says the square has a diagonal. Now, this is the diagonal. Okay, this is the diagonal of 10 centimeters. So guys, it means this line here is 10 centimeter. Don't forget, a square, all sides are equal, right? Right, good. So this is the length, and this is length, and this is length, and this is length. So since all sides are equal, it means they have the same dimensions as well. Now the diagonal is 10 centimeter. Now the question says find the perimeter of the square. We know that the perimeter of a square is equal to 4L. That is when you sum all the four sides, right? Now, what do we do? Firstly, we're going to apply the Pythagoras rule. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, from Pythagoras rule, we know that the square of the hypotenuse, we'll be having something of this nature. So, by Pythagoras rule, here is 10 centimeter, here is L, and here is L, and this is a right angle in a triangle. So we're going to apply the Pythagoras rule, right? Good. So the square of the hypotenuse, which is 10, is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Sum of the squares of the other two sides. Hypotenuse square is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So I have it to be 10 square, which is L square plus L square. That will give me 2L square. Are we together? So 10 square is 10 times 10, and that is 100, which is equals to 2L square. Now next, I'm to divide both sides by 2 to obtain the value of L. So this will go with this, and 2 here, 1, 2 here is 50. Are we good to go? So guys, next I have 50 here. Here I have 50 is equals to L square, which can be written as L square is equals to 50. Are we good to go? So now I need to get the value of my length L. So I have to take the square root of both sides. This will cancel this. My L, which is length, is equals to 50, the square root of 50. And this 50 can be written in short form as root 25 times 2. So I can say L is equals to root 25 multiplied by root 2. So L, root 25 is 5, right? I bet to be 5 root of 2. So now this is my length. Now this 5 root 2 is the value for each of the length of the square. Now the question says find perimeter. Now I'm boxing here, guys. Let's see. The perimeter, the formula for perimeter of a square is 4L, which is 4 times the length, and the length is 5 root 2, right? So perimeter is equals to 4L. So I now have my perimeter is equals to 4 times the length, which is what? 5 root 2. 4 times 5 is 20. Perimeter is now equal to 4 times 5 is 20, and I have it to be 20 root of 2. And the perimeter should be in centimeter. And this is my answer to this question. So according to WAEC 2025, this is option 20 root 2 is there, option C. And this is option C rather, option C. So guys, I hope this question makes us very well. Please don't forget to share, to comment, to like, let it follow. Bye, thank you.